Hello everyone and welcome to IT Nectar. In today's video I am going to discuss or show you some few simple steps to follow to make color variables for a web project in CSS file. Alright, for that first we need to pick up the colors that we want to make the variable for, and for that I need specifically the hexadecimal code for that particular color. In this case I am here in Color Palette. Color Palette is a famous website which will show you multiple options for colors and with their hexadecimal code. Whenever I hover on any of the color, it will show me its hexadecimal code. In this case you can see that, and by clicking and copying it, Control C for copy. Let me check whether it's been copied. Yes, it's been copied. Alright, to make color variables, for that first we need to start with root keyword. In this root keyword we need to write the name of all of the color variables that we need. For example, here I am giving it the name of the color like color blue. Now I have to write that hexadecimal code that I have been copied. Alright, here we have made our first color variable. Alright, here is one of the case. Let's say we are not able to pick up the color variable code or hexadecimal code directly, and we are not in any of the you can say that color palette and not have the color code for that particular thing. What would be the alternate how we are able to get the color code of any of a particular variable? Even in this, like you can say that if I want to pick up this yellow code or orange code from this particular icon, how we are able to do so? For that we need a special short application named just color picker. After that, or like just color picker download. Now here is the download resource for this color picker. Straight away go to download. After downloading it, you can select any of the thing. When it's being downloaded, here I have this application in my system, so I don't need to download it again. First you have to download it and then run it. After running this application, it looks like this. Run, and alright, now minimize it. Let's say I need this particular green color but not using this code, or the blue, or this one orange, you can say that yellow code from this particular icon. Here I can upload it, hover the mouse over this yellow color, now press Alt and X key. Now this application has picked up this color code for us. Now click on copy value, and now straight away here we are able to make a other color variable like color yellow, Control V. For all of the hexadecimal codes we need a hash sign, so that's why I'm just typing hash sign. Here we have here I have made two colors. We'll make another color by using the same color palette, or like here is a green color that I want. I am again picking up this color by using the just color picker application. Now hover the mouse over this green color, now press Alt X. After pressing it, now copy value and again color green with hash sign, Control V, and now we have three colors. And here is a HTML file. In my HTML file I use three tags, three H2 tags, and have the same text inside that tags. The only difference is that I have given it the classes like class green color, class blue color, or class yellow color. Alright, when it comes to green class, color green, I'll give it color, but I want to use the color that I have made a variable for, like color green. So color green, for that I have to type a keyword var, and after this var, here I am going to use the color green. Just save it. You can see that the reflection, the color has been changed. For same, color blue, again color is the keyword for color property, and since I am using the variable for color, and so I have to use var, and after this var keyword, inside it I have to give it the color, that is in this case blue. Save it, refresh it, it's being changed. Now this time color, again var for color yellow. Refresh it. So by this simple approach we can make color variables, and these color variables can be used over and over throughout our web application. Thank you so much for watching.